We'll guide you through how to download apps from anywhere in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may find that you're restricted from only being able to download apps from the Microsoft Store. To go and change this, go to the bottom of Windows and go and click on the Windows icon like this, and then go and clicking on Settings. Then in your settings, head over to the left and go and click on Apps. And in Apps, you need to go and click on Advanced App Settings. And then as you can see, it says choose where to get apps. Then go and click on this drop down menu and you've got these 4 different options. So you've got anywhere but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. Anywhere but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store, and then just anywhere. So I just want to have anywhere, and that's it. You've now gone and made the change, and now you should be able to get apps from anywhere. If you're still struggling with this setting, it may be because your Windows is in S mode. So what you'll need to do is go and turn this off. But I don't have S mode on this computer, but I know some people may do. So go and look into that. But I hope this guide did solve your problem. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking the video.